video. That's not a normal sound. Let's get it into the shop and I'll show you guys what I mean. First thing you'll want to do, pull your spark plug boot off and just set that aside. I've got a box of cat litter holding the handle up. Now, I already know what's wrong with this thing, but the first few things you can check is you want to make sure that there's no obstructions. With the handle down all the way, that spark plug boot off, go ahead and rotate your blade around in the direction of rotation and see if it impacts anything along here. Typically speaking, if you run into something or run over something, the blade's going to kick whatever it is, be it a rock or who knows what, into the side. It could dislodge something here. I've seen the welds on these fail and just sit here loose and rattle like crazy. So that could be an issue too, is with the deck. But most of the time, when you hear that noise, it's the blade adapter and the bolt not being tightened down all the way. So in this instance, I just replaced this blade, but that's really loose. That's not good either. That's what's making all that noise. And the issue here is because this blade adapter is not original to this mower, I had to get this one out of the horde to make this blade work. So this was actually part of the issue. These blades, these adapters, have these secondary retainers. This was in the horde with the rest of my blade adapters. So same concept though. If this blade's not tight enough, whether the bolt's not tight enough or you're missing this, you're gonna have a ton of noise. So let's reinstall this and see what happens. Perfect, just as advertised.